Bill's voted. Yeah, I did indeed. I voted twice. You voted 2 times. It's legal. Yeah. You can do that. Yeah, there he is. There he is. I tried that. Oh, and now we have the grand marshal, if you will. The man who made it happen. The man himself. He's running by the prom band, yeah. That's right, prom band from Rice University. Give it up for Travis, everybody, clap it up. Give it up for Brooke Everybody out on the stand on the show. Oh my goodness. Great. Brewing Company, home of the National Beer of Houston. Best beer in all of Texas. It's my blood type. Thank you guys. Yes. Now we got number 4, the Bilko. Artist by Philo Northrup from Kansas City, Missouri. Not in Kansas anymore. You're in Texas and you're welcome. Is that Toto right here? That's a daily driver. That's a daily driver. Every day with that one. And there's David Best. Yes, David Best. David Best. He's riding in number 5, the Orange Horse. He's from California, our favorite state here in Texas. I don't know if you can hear us over the color of that horse, but it is orange.
Followed quickly by a
You
buffalo.
can turn it up. It's radiating. David was in charge of the temple. Go check the temple every Thursday down at the Orange Show. There's number 7, Faith, another David Best creation. Wow, David Best is everywhere. Followed by number 8, Victory Over Sin. I've never been so successful, but David Best has. Followed by. Oh, there's number 8, right? Number 8, there's number 1 by heart. That's creation.
Fucking power car.
Art car. Look at this little tiny thing over here. So cute. That's so cute. Get after it. Yeah, from Victoria. I heard of that. It's right down the street. Powered by a Poncho Power 150.
All right! Woo!
Is that a scooter? It's a scooter. Oh my gosh. What a big scooter. Too cute. There's John Connor. Wow, the best cameraman on this parade right here in front of us. I tell you, steady camera rollerblades. You take your pick. And here we go with the all right. Grocery
Boom.
giant grocery cart. There in every single grocery store in Texas. Yeah. Fill it up with all the produce you can. You got number 11, the Ghost Slipper from Ty Eckley.
Boy, you are just barely clearing that.
Easy go golf cart with lots of steel, sneakers, and lights. This entry has been in many an art car parade, so many that they just started putting them on after 2017. So, that's a long time. Yeah. And here comes the cars that Team Gilman donated to 10 area schools. Working in conjunction with the Orange Show Director of Education, Rebecca Bass, to make brand new art cars this year, most of the very first time. And then more school youth entries there are, with number 12. It's a tradition. Number 13. That's awesome. So did my mom and dad. What? That's weird. We're brothers now. Oh my God, I love you, brother. Number 14, Carro de las Puertas. From Tanglewood Middle School, folks, it's number 15, Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Don't say it 3 times, Mills. I couldn't resist it. Part 2 coming your way to a theater near you. All right. right, what's coming out? Is that a 1,000 paper cranes? That's 1,000 paper cranes. Bel Air Art Club. Yes. Oh my goodness. Wallace from in Bel Air, Texas, a city within the city. This is inspired by a story about a girl who makes 1,000 paper cranes to wish on to help cure her cancer. Aww.
Hello.
Way to go, Bel Air. Not Houston.
Hello, baby.
Now we got number 17. That magnificent Marlin. From teacher Trevor Moore. That is out of Houston, Texas. After meeting 2022 and 2023, our car parade, the announcers and seeing how cute they were, they wanted to join in. Yes, the students submitted a drawing and multiple ideas of how could they make it possible, and they did. This is followed up by number 18, Adventures of Huskies and Willow. There they are. That's right. From the Westbury Art Car Club, Victoria Tarkington heading up that effort. This is the first year on every level that they've participated. The Westbury students take pride in their school and the surrounding community, especially Chile. Now give it up for number 19, Astro Sharpstown. Yeah, Sharpstown High School. Yes, and that is not Astro the festival, it's Astro World, the theme park. Now this next one, number 20, is top on my list. Save the Ocean.
Always lets you know, don't they? Yep. You're almost exactly like that. And next, coming in the rear from the port, number 23, Thorn Elementary's Unicorn. Yeah, that's right, Horn Elementary. Timmy Gilzo from Juarez, Bel Air, Texas.
Michael, participating since 2018. This is the car's first entry, taking inspiration from unicorns. Believe in yourself even if no one else does. There you go. I love that. I love that. Nailed it. I love it. Nailed it. All right. Now we got number 24 to the Galactic Walker. Parker Elementary. That's right, this is the schools, they participated in 2021. This is the car's first time, inspired by astronaut Shannon Walker. Hello, astronaut! Real literal astronaut. Person has been to space. I cannot emphasize that enough. Houstonians go to space, people.
Spacey.
Oh, it's coming out number 25. Sparkling Warrior. The Ronell Pencil. Handcrafted over 300 sparkling mandalas out of old CDs and a giant golden shimmering sun to represent the vibrant, luminous soul of Suno Church. And right in front of us we have children or flowers. You gotta let them grow.
What's that? traffic droids we're looking for.
And then we got number 27, the Concord Elementary Words to Live By. Artist name